If you're getting the failed to send error on Snapchat when trying to send a snapper message, don't worry. This is a common issue that can usually be fixed in just a few minutes. Let's go through the most effective solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you should do is make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data, then send the snap again. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons for this error. Step 2. Restart Snapchat. Completely close the Snapchat app. On Android or iPhone, remove it from your recent apps, then open it again and try sending your message. If the error continues, restart your phone before moving on to the next step. Step 3. Check if Snapchat is down. Sometimes the problem isn't on your device. Snapchat servers occasionally experience outages or maintenance. If that's the case, you'll simply need to wait until the service is back online before messages can be sent again. Step 4. Clear the Snapchat cache. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Clear Cache. Confirm the action, then reopen the app. This won't delete your memories or chats, but it can resolve temporary bugs that prevent messages from being sent. Step 5. Update Snapchat. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and check whether a new version of Snapchat is available. Running an outdated version of the app can sometimes cause sending errors or connection problems. After updating, sign back in if necessary and test the app again. Step 6. Log out and back in. If the issue still hasn't been resolved, log out of your Snapchat account and sign back in. Refreshing your account session often fixes temporary syncing problems between your device and Snapchat servers. If none of these solutions work, your last option is to uninstall Snapchat completely and install the latest version from the official App Store. This will replace any corrupted app files that may be causing the problem. Those are the quickest ways to fix the Snapchat failed to send error in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which solution worked for you.